Defense attorneys for an accused rapist who's on trial say DNA evidence against Kendrick Morris was contaminated.
Yeah, so far today, forensic experts who've testified for the state are saying that's not the case. Elizabeth Din has been following the trial from downtown Tampa.
How many?
DNA analysis and how DNA is collected by officials is what lawyers focused on during Kendrick Morris's rape trial. The 19-year-old man, who was 15 when the crime happened, is accused of raping a 62-year-old woman at the Children's Lighthouse in Claremelle, where she worked. DNA evidence authorities took from the rape victim are what detectives say connect Morris to the attack.
I have no reason to believe that there was any contamination or anything in this case.
An FDLE crime lab analyst testified Wednesday, saying the odds of DNA matching someone else's, she explained, are not very likely.
1 in 6.8 quintillion Caucasians, 1 in 320 quadrillion African Americans, and 1 in 2.2 quintillion Southeastern Hispanics.
But the defense argues that DNA was contaminated.
Certainly you couldn't keep it in a hot car, or that would not be a good practice for the preservation of the DNA.
No, that's not a desired condition.
It's possible, but the reason that we don't call an absolute identity is that we leave it up to the jury to decide.
DNA plays a big role in this case because it was nearly a year after the daycare rape happened when detectives arrested Kendrick Morris right after the Bloomingdale Library attack. They say it was DNA evidence that ultimately helped them solve the daycare worker crime. Reporting at the Hillsborough County Courthouse, Elizabeth Din, ABC Action News.